Hey guys, welcome to Isaiah's Reviews, and today we're reviewing the Beardscape Pro beard trimmer right here. There's a lot of stuff going on with this thing, and I'll go ahead and tell you this is my favorite beard trimmer that I have. How cool is that? It's got a charging stand and plate and all that good stuff on it, but let's get to what is actually in the packaging. And the packaging itself is quite nice. It has Brio Beardscape Pro on it, and you get the images of what all is kind of included. And the battery on this thing is an extra large capacity battery with up to 4 hours on a charge. You get a perfect digital readout on the screen of this thing so that you'll know exactly how much time you got left at the power setting. And it's not very loud either. Low friction ceramic blade included, which can be set to different lengths with the little clicky thing right here on the ceramic blade. You get the case, and there are 5 speed settings on this thing. The adjustable ceramic blade will go from 1 to 1.9 millimeters, and it's adjustable by the little switch on the front. You get a zero blade, which is 0.2 millimeters, and this is the one that I'm going to use, and you'll see in action is the zero blade. It truly is the closest that I've got on a trimmer. Like, I have to lotion up after because it's like a shave. Like, I'll get a shave rash. And it is a quick charge on this, which is really cool. You get it charged up in 3 hours, so you can use this as a professional. I mean, you can professionally use this and leave it sitting out or whatever. You get 4 hours and 3 hours of charge time. So that is really, really good whenever it comes to like stuff that you and I can buy, not from a beauty supply shop. So this is pretty cool. What's included in the case? You get reversible guards, which I like because I hate keeping up with a bag full of guards. So you get 2 sizes per guard. You get 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 9 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and 18 millimeter. And those are together combos in one, which is great. And the one that we'll be sampling is the 3/6 millimeter. I'll use the 3 millimeter on my little hairy beard. And they're all like laid out nice and neat on the inside, so you can tell which one to use and stuff. And you can kind of throw all your pamphlets and stuff away once you get the idea of how to use the system. And you do get the charging brick and the little USB adapter that goes to the stand. That is it. Let's do some trimming. This is bed head right here. This is not what it look like on the daily, but this is a little bed head. So we're just gonna trim this up. I'm gonna trim my neck up, and that's it, we'll be done. But I've been using this for a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks now, so I can tell you that it is great. I'm just going to showcase how it works. Okay? We got the zero blade on, and now we're going to snap on the 3 millimeter guard. It snaps right in to this right here. There's a little lip here. It snaps right in here. I had one little issue with this guard where it wasn't cut off flat on the inside. I don't know if you can see this at all, but there's a lip right here that goes in and snaps onto this. A piece of plastic flap was right there where it was just in the finishing. It didn't get lopped off, so I just had to take a knife and go boop and pop off the little lip on it. And once I did that, it snapped right on. But that was the only guard I had a problem with. Let's just trim this down, and then we'll pop this off, use the zero round through here and on the neck, and then we'll be done. Get up my nose. This just feels so good and smooth. Like, there is no grabs, snags. The guards are kind of rounded on the tips. A lot of times my hair from waking up, the beard might be a little matted up. And on my other ones, the guard tips would be so pointy, it just hurts sometimes grabbing those matted hairs. But for whatever reason, this guard just glides right over everything, no problems. Sometimes you gotta do the little puffer. And that's it for the beard trimming. It's trimmed up to a good length, and now we're gonna pop the guard off and just use the 0 for that close razor shave. See if we can get this in without, look at this. Look at it, look at it. Look at that. You see it? Like a razor. Look at that. That's close, dude. That is so close. Look, it just feels. That's close. That's just as close. Here, let's just do this real quick. This is paper thin close, so nothing's. All right, now that's like razor close. Okay, so that's that feeling. Let's see, I feel that. Let's do the other side and I'll compare feels. All right. All right, let's compare. It's not much difference. See, I can feel. Hear that? You don't hear that there. So there is a difference, but to the naked eye, there's not. So it's gotta be like such a tiny difference. There is some little scraggle. And this is baby smooth, of course. So there is a difference. It's not razor, but man, it is close. Do a little happy smile line. I don't like it going over my lip like this. We'll get the eyebrow. In between the eyebrows. Cool. That's it. We just did the beard. Look good. Look good. Do like that. Look really weird. You see the line? I'm trying to get out of the shadow. I should have had a light going like this. My bad. So let's just do the neck and I'll show you how I'll do my neck. Take my hand, use my finger as the guide. And once I grab the hairline and pull it up and see where I had my haircut last, boom, like that. I know I'm good. I'm just going off blind faith and finger feels. Whoops. All right, that side is done. It's probably red. See that? Smooth, man. It feels smooth. Smooth. That's smooth. We'll get the other side. Okay. Get that again. I got a little widow's peak back there. Pull that thing out. Get it out of the way. And now we're gonna trim. Let's check it out. Boom. That's probably red because my neck is super sensitive. That looks good, right? Let me see that. Hey, not bad. Look at that. And I'm just gonna put lotion. See how red? That's what I look like after actually shaving, physically shaving. So it gets super close. You can see the red spots. So I just have some lotion, aftershave lotion I put on, knocks the redness out. This, my friends, have been the review and in action of the Beardscape Pro. I had to look and see what it was called. The Beardscape, it's right here. The Beardscape Pro, right there. It's marked on there. But it's branded throughout. The company is fantastic. I've got some stuff coming from Brio's. The Brio is the company of the Beardscape Pro. I didn't mention that. But I have an electric toothbrush of theirs, which looks fantastic. And they do a great deal of breakdown of that thing on their YouTube channel, the guy does. And it really shows you the comparisons amongst the cheaper brands or even the name brands and how the Brio build quality is there. So I'm very excited to check out that electric toothbrush. But for now, this has been the Beardscape Pro system. I really like it. It's the best trimmer that I have owned. It feels totally professional in the hand. And this is a unique product that Brio has brought to the table. For the price, it's really not that bad. The link is down in the YouTube description. Make sure to go check that out. And to make sure, you gotta explode on that subscribe button and ding that bell so you get notified on the next Brio product and other cool products that I have coming out soon. I got them coming out soon. See ya.